Hi boys and girls. Here's a day on the Galfa farm. This is Wilson. Didn't he get so big? If you remember seeing him last year, he was just a little piglet. This is where he lives. I'm going to give him a piece of bread. He likes to eat bread. He's got a pink nose and black and white spots. And since it's winter out, he has a very thick fur so that he stays nice and warm. Right, Wilson? And when Wilson's wiggling his tail, that means he's happy. He's very happy to see me. And eat his bread, of course. Who knows what kind of animal this is? It's a goat. How many goats do we have? 1, 2, 3. What colors are the goats? Yes, there's one that's white, that's Betty. This one is black and tan, that's Lily. And this one, this is Daisy. They want some bread too. And, of course, a farm is complete with some chickens. Let's count how many chickens there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These chickens lay eggs. And since there are 6 chickens, we get 6 eggs every single day. And here's one of the cutest kitties in the whole world. Say hi, Preschool.